Hi, I'm Jim Lowenhertz at Guitar Works in Portland, Oregon, and I'm going to just talk a little bit about setup on a guitar. People always wonder, what's a setup? So here's a guitar that I just set up, and there's basically a process that I go through for setup. The first thing I do is I string it up to tension with the strings I'm going to use. Then I adjust the truss rod so that there's the proper amount of relief in the guitar, and by that I mean there's just a little bit of a forward bow, just a little bit. And then I adjust the nut height so that the strings aren't sitting up higher. Essentially you want the nut to be about as high as if there were another fret up here, maybe just slightly higher. And then the last part is to adjust these bridge saddles for the overall string height, and then the intonation for the adjusting the saddles back and forth until the note at the 12th fret plays true, so basically the guitar plays in tune. The last thing I usually do is just check the electronics and make sure it all works, and maybe clean the controls, and that's pretty much it.
And when does somebody need to have a guitar set up?
So unless you're going to be changing your gauge of string or your tuning, probably you just have to get a guitar set up when you buy it. And most people, when you buy a new guitar, it almost always needs a setup because it's just set to some arbitrary thing from the factory, and everybody's different. So you have to adjust it so that it works for your playing style.